Human history says that you should get rid of your weak.
Evan is my friend's boyfriend, which therefore makes him my boyfriend by the order of
Yeah, it's called Patterns by Scotty.
It's not worth your time.
You didn't even watch it.
Is this legal? Is this allowed?
So would you have quit if either of you have gone to day 2?
I would not have quit, but I would have nuked the vibes in that yard so bad. I would have made it so miserable.
Budweiser, if you're seeing this,
there's a couple of Budweiser floaters there you can grab through.
I bleed bald eagles and I'm from New Jersey. Please send me money and free beers.
If you Google disinformation, you get a picture of Fern's face.
Okay.
I did steal this beer from under your chair, but I will replace it. But I will replace it.
Kara, I stole your idol.
Joke's on you, it's not actually an idol.
Is it a bomb?
Go ahead, John. I want relevant people to speak. Come on.
But I played it right. I had to do what I had to do, and it is what it is. And I'm sorry that I had to vote you out on the way. It's just the way that it works.
Another woman is collateral. Another woman is collateral in a man's story.
Was that me playing the game well? Oh my God.
You didn't care about us.
What a villain.
On the jury. So, what's higher, the king or the princess?
Every time somebody asked me who I thought was getting voted off this tribal, I said Aziz, because he seemed like he was on the fringes at every vote.
Relevant people are talking now. Come on.
Right? That's my sister, my mother, my grandmother, my cousin, my best friend. I got this girl 6 hours. You guys, I'm so sorry to interrupt this, but I do have one other question. I am going to go to the liquor store. Does anyone want anything?
Yes. More beer.
We were looking for the immunity idol, and we could not find it. So we basically cleaned your entire front yard, as good people do. And while
They found both puzzles. Let's not something that
Yes.
looked like a puzzle.
And
They
can
found
we
both
bring up
fucking puzzles.
We-
Saran wrapped.
Fucking us over.
These
We
weren't just
wanted-
random pieces. They
We
were saran wrapped
Can
together.
we get back to how John is the villain of the season?
No!
Please.
That's why you dress so nice.
Whoa.